Expecto Patronum. So we're off. Another exciting trip beckoned and we were on our way down south towards central Vietnam to Quang Binh province. Phong Nha Ke National Park is home to the most stunning scenery, and we were travelling to visit nature at its finest, which dates back far past prehistoric times. In fact, the caves we're about to enter are said to be over 400 million years old.
Tesco with his 50-inch TV.
If you're a nature lover, I highly advise to take a trip through the stunning Vietnamese countryside. The gigantic near 900 square kilometre park is home to vast amounts of underground rivers and caves, and in this video you will see a river tour that goes into a dark cave. So we've just purchased tickets and we're gonna go on one of these boats. Here we go. Phong Nha Cave. One ticket, 150,000. So you're looking at probably about £5. Not too bad. Oh, watch this oar. Let's go, baby. Phong Nha Cave. The breeze has certainly woken me up a little bit. This is Vietnam. Boats and water and scenery. That is what Vietnam is all about. Phong Nha, the adventure capital of Asia. Water, boats and the people here have a special interconnecting bond, and it is a way of life here in this region, whether it be personal boats, fishing boats or touring boats like these. The boat seems to be slowing down now. We're sort of floating right now as opposed to driving. It was a lovely start to the tour, although it could have ended in tears really early on. We're now approaching the cave, slowly but surely. Wow, really, really nice. I can see bats, I can see bats. We're in the back cave now. Bats, bats, bats. And now the engines are off, and so it is manual, using the oars to power us through the caves. It's getting dark now. It's quite eerie. There is a light at the end of the tunnel. Wow, is that a face or what? God, this reminds me of the scene in Harry Potter when Harry Potter and Albus Dumbledore go into the caves to find a Horcrux. And Dumbledore's like, water, Harry, water. Look, Harry, look. I think a Horcrux is in here somewhere. The boat's starting to shake. The Horcrux is in here. Just waiting for a megalodon to come out of these waters. Expecto Patronum. What about their legs? They don't need those. Yeah. A wizard is never late, Master Baggins. Nor is he early. He arrives precisely when he means to. It's hard to capture how big and the scale of the caves are here on video, but they're humongous, bloody huge, gigantic. This is where Gollum lived. How strong she is, rowing like 10 people. Oh, we're turning around, we're turning around. Xin chào, gia đình rất vui không? Không vui, buồn quá. 800 mét hả? Wow, so this cave, or the Phong Nha Cave, is 7,000 meters. However, we can only go 800 meters, so that's why we're turning around now. It would be too dangerous to venture deep into the 7,000 meters worth of caves. Bao lâu rồi chị đi làm ở đây? 3-4 năm rồi. Oh, she is strong, man. Sail away with me. What will be, will be. I wanna hold you now, now, now. Việt Nam đẹp quá.
Đẹp quá.
Vâng.
Em xin lời gọi chỗ nào?
Bây giờ em sống ở nước Anh, bên Anh.
Em sống bên Anh.
So I think we might be walking here.
Khuyên 372.
Here we are then. We are walking in the Phong Nha Caves. 150,000, remember? 150,000 Vietnamese dong, just over £5 to come here. Very nice indeed. It feels good to be walking, actually. Spent a long time in a boat. You're beautiful, it's true. When I saw your cave in a crowded place, and I don't know what to do, 'cause I'll never be with you. I don't know if you can hear the bats or see the bats, but there are a lot of bats. Now, the fat man, who's got an ankle issue right now, is going to attempt to climb up these things. So. Let's see how this goes. Oh, not too bad. Oh, had the mad ankle issues right now. But, wow, look at this view. See, climb up those steps, this amazing view. Look at this is nice. Back to the boat. But you gotta be careful. See, you don't want to hit your head on this thing. See, you want to duck your head, like so. Oh, gaga. Oh, wow, look at these fish. I don't know what. These fish are cool. Up, up, up. Up the stairs we go. Oh, and my weak ankle is really playing up now. But we march on. And I probably look like a right idiot right now, the way I'm moving down here. But I'm very slow. I think I'm holding up people. And I'm sweating. But it's good. Because I'm a bit chubby. I need to lose weight, you know? I want to be healthy. These boats, you got to be careful with the steps here. Because it approaches where you can have some water. Or some sweets. Mua đồ ăn nhiều ở đấy. Here's some sugarcane juice. Uống nước mía ở đây. Nước mía bao nhiêu tiền? 10.000 nhá. So I bought some nước mía, some sugarcane juice for 10,000. It is the juice to buy when you are mồ hôi nhiều, uống nước mía. When you're sweating a lot, you can drink sugarcane juice. Lots of different vendors here selling shirts. Look at this bamboo. This bamboo in England is so expensive. Like just this tree here, this one here, easily £80 in Wyval. Not Wyval, I was going to take, what's it, Dobbies. Yeah, that's it, Dobbies. When you get back here, just remember to remember your boat number, as they all look the same. With other people. And here we go. So there are less tourists here than Ninh or Trang River, and I think it is a little bit cheaper. So 4 years ago it was 250,000 or 200,000 I think when I went there. I'm not sure what the price is now in Ninh, but ở đây ở Phong Nha is 150,000. There were 150,000 to go on this tour. If you compare the two, I think I really like this one, mainly because it's not as busy. The whole boat tour took around 3 hours and involved a basic walk. And if a fat arthritic man like me can do it, I think you can too. This video, if you like the video, please like it. And comment down below if you've been to Ninh and Phong Nha, or one or the other. What do you prefer? What do you prefer and why? That'd be really interesting to find out. Thank you. Anyways, see you later, alligator.